Okay, we can lift the collective and do a horn light drop, shall we?
Yep.
We're lifting slightly, then rolling the revs down. That's fine, 97. Actually a bit low, it's a bit below 90 then. Should we try it again?
Okay.
So, start from again. So raising the collective a little bit and drop. There we go.
Yep, that's going off there.
Okay. Collective all the way down.
Okay, so we want to now start getting into a habit of doing what we call our pre-takeoff checks. So warning lights are out, instruments we want to set as required. So the directional indicator wants to be aligned to the compass.
Yep.
QNH, or pressure setting as required, which we've got set on QNH 1013.
Yep.
Manifold pressure with the lever fully down should be reading between 13 and 14 inches, which it does. T's and P's are green, fuel is sufficient. Carb heat wants to come out a little bit more, just so it's outside of that yellow band.
Okay.
Pitches will have all up in the on position. Radio is tuned and checked, ready to go.
Okay, and that's tuned into the
Power frequency.
Yeah.
So it's now just starting to get you to have the aircraft ready, just increasing that workload. Once the checklist finished, now just checking the aircraft's ready for you to take off.
Okay.
India, runway 27, clear, touch and go, wind 27012. Runway 27, clear, touch and go, Golf Lima again.
Cross the tower, helicopter Golf Oscar Juliet Alpha November.
Golf Oscar Juliet Alpha November, go off the tower, QNH 1013.
QNH 1013 with information Victor requesting standard helicopter departure to the north, QKB.
Golf Alpha November, taxi initially holding point X-ray, wind 28012.
Taxi holding point X-ray, Golf Alpha November. Okay, I have control.
You have control.
The north is an R22.
So, raising the collective lever up, a little bit of left pedal, eyes up front,
Golf Oscar X-ray, traffic departing to the north is an R22.
into the hover, warning lights are out, RPM's top of the green, manifold pressure is reading 23.5, P's and P's are green, fuel is sufficient, carb heat is okay, controls feel normal.
Right hand. Helicopter circuit is active, also with an R22 on final.
We've got a nice good crosswind, a little bit of headwind slightly because it's northwesterly, slightly better than the taxi down. Got an R22 doing an auto rotation to heading northeast.
Yep, visual.
Golfing India, Roger. November 123.
Private X-ray.
November 123 Victor Papa. November 123 Victor Papa. Rough the town, taxi to RGV. November 123 Victor Papa. Golf Alpha November, traffic at Ellie North in the circuit is an R22. Fixing circuit is active with a Cherokee on climb out. Further traffic is a Cherokee crosswind. Cross runway 27 via Heli North, standard helicopter departure to the north, clear to take off wind 28013.
Cross 27, standard helicopter departure to the north, clear for takeoff, Golf Alpha November. Still a nicely new resurfaced runway.
Yeah, very posh.
Okay, so I'm going to hand you control. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You have control.
I have control.
Try not to fly over the built-up area too soon. Just think if your engine fails, where you're going.
Yeah. Okay, where are we heading? Which direction?
So we'll do climb, we'll sort of go out to the north-northwest.
Golf Alpha November.
Okay, climbing to 2000.
555.
Approach 128.4555, Golf Alpha November. So we want to level off at 750 feet so that whilst we're inside the ATZ, once we cross the road, then we can climb up to 2000.
With information, Victor, QNH 1013.
attitude, power, trim to level off from that car. Just approach helicopter Golf Oscar Juliet Alpha November for basic service.
Golf Oscar Juliet Alpha November, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Oscar Juliet Alpha November.
Edge 14, Golf approach is still on frequency. Hey firm, Edge 14.
Okay, coming up to the ATC boundary. And climbing to 2000. Getting buffeted a bit,
Yep.
windy than this morning.
Again?
A bit more windy than this morning.
Yes, a little bit more, it's a few knots more. It'll give me 13 on the ground. Get rid of that noise in the background.
Charlie, 3 miles.
Well, Charlie, Roger, traffic inbound to the overhead from the southeast of the Comanche and the fixed wing helicopter circuits are active. Contact tower 122.1905.
Charlie, contact tower on 122.1905, thank you.
Well, Juliet, just cross your range now.
Juliet 6.2.
Well, Juliet, thank you. Fixed wing and helicopter circuits are active right hand. Traffic just been approaching the overhead from the west of the
That's copy, Golf.
Well, Juliet, would you prefer to join left base?
Thanks, Golf, Juliet.
Well, Juliet, Roger, so keep you clear of the overhead then. Continue for left base and contact tower 122.1905.
Switching left base, switching tower, thanks, Golf, Juliet.
It's 2000 eventually.
Yeah, get that.
Okay, approaching 2000. I'm going to level off and increase to 75.
Okay, so we'll crack straight on. You can do your hazel tracks and give me the warning as soon as you're ready to do your auto rotation.
Okay, so height is 2000. Area is fields, main, lots of options. We're still strapped in. Warning lights are out. T's and P's are in the green, and car beat is fully out.
Main 4000 to advise, cleared the
Having a look out, no visual traffic, ready for auto rotation.
Okay.
Practice auto rotation, go.
Up with the leader. Right. Okay.
Okay, putting out of auto rotation. RP can go down now.
Better.
Ripping the cyclic so hard at the moment, I don't know why. But you hurt my fingers.
I need to relax on
I know,
it. Yeah.
I do. Okay, so maintain heading and up to 2000 again?
Yep. If you get your speed to sort of the slower side of 60 rather than at 72, we won't be doing much climbing at
70
this speed. Better to be a few knots slower than it is a few knots faster. And balance will also make it more efficient.
Pedals coming round.
Develop that scan between the horizon and your instruments, all that speed. Do we climb a little more quickly and efficiently? We can do it all over again.
Yeah. So approaching 2000, leveling off to 75.
Okay, so much the same. Hazel checks. Let me know when you're ready to go for your next one.
Okay, so height is 2000, speed 70. Area is rural green fields, plenty of options to land. We're still strapped in our seatbelts. Engine and warning lights are out. Keys are in the green. Carb heat is fully out. Last look out, can't see anything apart from a set of hills. Ready for auto rotation. Practice auto rotation, go. Okay, and leveling out, leveling up now.
Out this way, away from the village. Perfect balance in that recovery.
From Rise, they are working traffic about 5 miles northeast of the field. It's descending down towards Rise, but they are aware of you on the approach with their radar.
Climbing turn round to the left. Balance, or left pedal in that climb. Turn coming round, not directly into front.
Good afternoon, Blood Line 621.
Again, better auto rotation.
I'm the formation of two gliders currently in position to leave heading south.
Yeah, we didn't hear any warnings go off, that was the bonus.
Yeah,
That was now from
I think the revs got quite close then, but
not quite close, but you managed to catch it, so you'd be having to shout.
I pulled in a collective, yeah.
Field with a twin star fixed wing shortly to position on an 8-mile final.
Or she just be ahead of him. I'll keep you updated.
Maintain, slowly heading.
Yeah.
Contact Bravo, traffic 2 gliders, Bishop Cleeve, tracking southbound 1,500 feet.
Okay, looking for traffic on the Bravo.
Those hills there, really.
Yeah.
Contact Bravo, Roger, report 4 DME.
Okay, Contact Bravo.
Blowing thermals off the ridge, I guess.
Traffic now on an
Probably ridge lift, I think, this time of year.
twin fixed-wing aircraft.
I'm looking now, we should be contacting about 1 minute. For approach, Golf Sierra Alfa Romeo, Alpha passing 2,000 feet in a climb, request basic service.
Rossi Alpha Romeo, Alpha Post approach, basic service.
So same deal when we get to 2000, another auto rotation.
Yeah.
Update.
Last Atlantic 1, aborted. I'll stay north of your approach at the moment.
Rider 621, Roger. Contact Bravo, report 4 DME, previously mentioned gliders remaining just north of the approach.
Roger, will carry Contact Bravo.
Okay, approaching 2000, leveling off to 75.
Gliders, just to the north.
Contact Bravo, thank you.
the height is almost 2,000. Area is rural fields. We're still strapped to our seatbelts. Warning lights are out. T's and P's are in green, and carpet is fully out. Looking for a last lookout. No visuals. There is traffic in the area. I think it's safe. Ready for auto rotation. Practice auto rotation. Go.
Up as you slow down. Okay, let's recover.
Just got away from me down that one.
Yeah, get the lever up. Hold it straight.
Bravo, question ring.
4.37.
Bravo, thanks, contact tower 122 decimal.
Tower 122 decimal.
The lever coming up, left pedal. And a climbing turn when you're ready to the left onto a northerly heading.
Climbing turn to the left, north heading. 2,000.
Yeah, you went back into your old format of letting the nose drop on the entry on that one.
Yeah.
On the north end of Cleve Hill, southbound, altitude 1,300 feet, following the ridge line. I'll be crossing through the extended centre line.
Flight 80, Roger.
Is that a glider pilot?
Yes.
There are two gliders just
Big
in the
turn coming round to the north.
Track southbound.
Yeah, I can see one of them now.
Glider 8, correction, glider 621, company traffic in the Cleve area, also Ridley southbound.
That's copy, thank you, looking out. Well, service 001 with you for basic service.
There is 01 Gloucester approach, basic service, reportedly in Evesham.
Report Evesham, basic service 001.
There is 01, keep a good look at gliding activity reported in Cleve Hill area, reaching southbound.
That's copy, 001. Gloucester approach 80 would like to leave frequency for 30 seconds and come back.
30 seconds, very precise.
Approach is not active now.
Copied.
Glider 621, the previously mentioned fixed-wing aircraft is now on a 2-mile final with Gloucester.
That's understood. We'll be crossing in 2 or 3 minutes, thank you.
Glider 621, thanks. I'll report leaving the frequency to the south.
Okay, thank you.
Nice crosswind here.
Yep.
Gloucester approach, Golf Sierra Alpha Julia Mike, with information, Whiskey QNH 1013. Currently about 8 miles out at 3,700 feet, request straight in approach, runway 27.
Gloucester Alpha Juliet Mike, Gloucester approach, basic service, stand by for your join when I speak to you now.
Basic service, stand by for Julia Mike.
Come on, hold that climbing attitude. Because we're not climbing very quickly as we keep going forward to 70 knots.
Yeah.
Caution gliding activity to the east of the airfield.
Straight in runway 27 and 45 miles, the traffic's got...
So back to 60 now, so should
Again?
we finish off that last 300 okay now, back at 60?
Yeah.
Gloucester approach, glider 80 is now south of the extended centre line.
Glider 80, Roger, thanks for the call and free call en route then, bye.
Is that a reservoir there, or a lake or something? Or?
Yeah,
The
lake.
Creeper area is following me now.
Roger, thank you.
Yeah, man-made lake.
Bye. Golf Delta Bravo, it's a glider in the Cleeve Hill area, northeast of the
Okay,
field.
approaching 2000 and level off and back to 75.
1,500 to 2,000.
Okay, same deal.
Okay, vibrate more into wind to make it easier, or?
So now we're going to get you to enter auto rotation and see if we can actually try a 90-degree turn into wind in the auto.
Okay. Just to mix it up a bit, make it more difficult. Okay, so
Give it a go.
height is 2000, area is rural with a major network road going through middle. We are still strapped to our seatbelts. Engine lights, warning lights are all out. T's and P's are in the green. Car beat is fully out. Looking for traffic, nothing visual. Ready for auto rotation. Auto rotation, practice, go.
Sierra Delta Bravo procedural service, climb 4,000 feet, right turn out on track, lap gear.
Golf Delta Bravo, report passing altitude 3,000 feet.
Wilco, Golf Delta Bravo.
A little bit more right pedal. Slightly let the nose drop. A little bit, just let it drop, that's it. Almost a relaxation rather than a physical move. Then turn very slightly to the left. A little bit of forward side click. Don't let the nose pick up in that turn. Hold it straight. Let the nose drop.
12905.
And now let's recover.
Request change, Coventry 123.832.
0013, call Coventry, bye.
Okay, not bad. Okay, we'll do a climbing turn to the left onto a southerly heading.
Foster approach, Golf Bravo, India Mike Tango.
Climbing turn to the left, ending up on a southerly heading.
Golf Bravo, India Mike Tango, Gloucester approach, stand by.
Good, so you didn't let the nose drop on that one. Work on that balance, that helps.
Got my Tango, so just taking a hand over there, you see it, chicks free. Hey sir, 2,000 feet. Got my Tango, standard over join, runway 27 right hand, KFE 1010, report 3 miles. Standard over join, 27 right hand, 1010, and report 3 miles, Golf Fontaine. Golf Delta Bravo, passing altitude 3,000 feet. Golf Delta Bravo, report reaching altitude 4,000 feet. Wilco, Golf Delta Bravo. Station calling Gloucester approach, carrier wave only. Aero 01, is that any better? Aero 01, readability 5. Are you with Coventry? Yeah, I'm at airship now, request change to Coventry, 123830. Aero 01, free call Coventry, bye sir. Golf Delta Bravo, 4,000 feet, unit 1013. Golf Delta Bravo, cleared RMP, runway 27 via lap Q, report 8 miles lap Q. Did the RMP approach, runway 27 via lap Q, Wilco, Golf Delta Bravo. Golf Delta Bravo, and maintain altitude 4,000 feet as instructed. 4,000 until advised, Golf Delta Bravo.
Again, we'll do another round rotation. We'll start on this heading and then we'll turn it to the right into the wind. Time. We'll work on a westerly wind.
Okay. More climbing to do.
Golf Mike Tango 3 miles. Golf Mike Tango 122.905 for bye.
I'll just make sure we stay on this side of the river, so that little village there is a noise abatement area.
Okay. So I'll do a quick hazel check. So height is 2000. Area is rural green fields. Still strapped on our seatbelts and secure. Engine warning lights are out. T's and P's are in the green. Bar heat is fully out. Auto rotation ready.
Okay, get the speed things ready.
So practice auto rotation now.
Then with the procedure we'll go Golf Delta Bravo.
By turning to the right, let the nose drop slightly.
Okay, 1,000 feet now, so pulling up now.
Okay, so they're getting there. The recoveries have got a little bit of a wobble in it, and the recovery bit as we're going through there. Your eyes are totally focused on the inside, not on the outside.
They were a bit.
It's like...
It's that top right needle, it's like seems to be that green area.
Yeah, so we've got to be able to develop a means that we can actually still use the horizon and learn to do that, so rather than just 100% focused on the inside there.
Okay.
Right, let's come round. Right, control actually.
Cool.
I'll just give you a break for a minute. So they're getting there. Definitely improvement on this morning's flight. Still a lot of work to do. We need to be able to, as I say, actually fly the aircraft by looking out the window rather than 100% focus on the instruments, so it becomes a more natural instinct rather than trying to do what, as you are. But as I say, much improved on this morning's flight. So I'm just going to do a demonstration. What we want to do is an auto rotation. We need to be able to get you to a point where you can enter auto rotation downwind and turn it into wind.
Okay.
So you should be able to turn at least, later on you should be able to do a 360 degree turn.
Right.
But at this stage of the game we should be able to get ourselves to be able to do a 180 turn.
Okay.
The reason being that if we had an engine failure in the circuit, when we come round to doing circuits, we need to be able to turn it into wind. So we'll just take ourselves up to 2,000 feet. So height is going to be 2,000 feet, area is going to be down below somewhere around here. Engine warning lights are all out, T's and P's are good. I'll just leave the car beat till we've actually finished the climb. Good look out ahead, and nothing seen at the moment. I will turn it to your side as we've got cheeks to my side.
Yep. Nice wind indicator there, looks like.
Yeah.
Climb to 70, November 123 rings, Papa.
You want me to do the car beat for you on call?
You can do the car beat for me. Yeah. Alright, well we'll start levelling off there. Just under 2,000, but that will do. So you can follow through on the controls.
Yeah, following
Car
through.
beat fully out, please.
Car beat is fully out.
Okay, so practice, auto rotation, go. So levers going down, right pedal in, nose is coming up, levers going up slightly in the turn. So revs increase in the turn.
Go ahead, Golf Tango Mike.
Slow it down a little bit to 60 knots because it will reduce the rate of descent slightly in the turn, so rather than 65, 60. A little bit more up in the lever there just to keep those revs at the top of the grid. Knots holding quite nicely, rate of descent about 1,500 feet. I can tighten that turn if I need to. I can bring it right round, but I need to raise the lever up loads as I come round and then bring it back. Stop coming back open and recovering. So the tighter the turn, you can see how to raise the lever up an awful lot to keep the air control.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll head back to the airfield and we'll do a little bit of hovering.
Okay, sounds good.
You have control?
Have control. What height do we maintain?
We can set this height, that'll do fine.
Yep.
And we'll do a level turn to the left onto a south-west easterly heading. Helicopter Golf Alpha November 23 for standard helicopter arrival to Heli North.
Golf Alpha November, standard helicopter arrival Heli North, runway 27 right hand in use, QFE 1010, and report 3 miles.
Standard helicopter arrival to Heli North, 271010, Wilco Golf Alpha November. Okay, so let's sort our speed out. We're gaining height, we can see there, because our nose is coming up in the turn. We need to get these basic skills a little bit more accurate. Okay, everything falls off the basic skills.
Yep.
So we need to be down to 700 feet, so send ourselves down to 700 feet. Coming back in the same way as we did morning, so crossing over the motorway. So we're not following the motorway, but we are crossing over it to bring ourselves back in on the right hand base leg. So not big movements, but you need to be a bit more assertive with it.
Yeah.
So it does what it wants to do rather than waffling around in the wind. So we want to cross over the motorway, so let's make it do what we want it to do.
4123 Apollo, just past 6,000 feet. 60. November 3 Victor Papa, turn left, track direct, Badim, Bravo, Alpha Delta, India Mike. Repeat again, Trivia Papa. November 3 Victor Papa, Badim, Bravo, Alpha Delta, India Mike. Badim, Bravo, Alpha Delta, India Mike, direct, November 123 Victor Papa.
Helicopter Golf Alpha November, 2 miles.
Golf Alpha November, contact tower 122.905, goodbye.
122.905, Golf Alpha November.
Golf Juliet Mike behind the landing Cessna, about 100 minute altitude line, wait runway 27 behind.
Behind landing Cessna, line up and wait behind, Golf Juliet Mike.
Gloucester Tower, helicopter Golf Oscar Juliet Alpha November for Heli North.
Golf Oscar Juliet Alpha November, Gloucester Tower, clear to land Heli North with 27011.
Clear to land Heli North, Golf Alpha November. Okay, so we're going to maintain 700 feet and we'll do an auto rotation to Heli Northwest, or at least I will do an auto rotation to Heli Northwest, Northeast, probably. Okay. So our height will be 700 feet, area will be Heli Northeast. Nothing seen at the moment, nothing told about from the helicopter traffic as stands. Warning lights are all out, T's and P's are all good, we'll put the star beat out a little bit nearer the time.
Yeah, start slowing now because we're doing 70.
Yeah. Okay, I've got control.
Okay, you have control.
So yeah, need to be a little bit, not harsh with the controls, but you need to be a little bit more controlled of them.
Relative, yeah.
Closing Golf Juliet Mike.
You have to let it know who's boss, or else it will do its own thing. As you see with the wind, it'll just let there, you're letting it go with. Saying, look, cross over the motorway, you've got to make it do that. You have to put those inputs in there.
Yep.
Okay, nothing's sun shining on the windscreen there, but still can't see anything. Okay, no, yeah.
RMD approach, runway 27, 4 miles.
Golf Sierra Alpha Delta Bravo, Gloucester.
Okay, so height good. Area is clear.
Golf Bravo, a low approach go around into the visual circuit. Please Golf Bravo.
Right aircraft on the runway.
Yep, that's fine.
Golf Juliet Mike.
I'm not going on the runways.
18, cross runway 22, taxi to Sky Park.
Left on 18, cross 22, taxi.
Okay, practice auto rotation, go. Lever's going down, throttle's closed, lever coming up, coming back 65. 5 knots we've got. Looks good. Star beat going back to the hover setting, still looking ahead, Slow there. Looking nice. Starting a gentle flare. Level. And round we go. We're fully down. That's what you've got to be able to do.
Yep.
All the way to the ground. Okay. Ourselves to helicopter. A little bit of hovering.
Mike, could you request a refuel us, please? Golf Juliet Mike, Wilco. Thanks, Golf Juliet Mike.
It's about there-ish. Right, so we need to get those feet light and active.
Yep.
Golf Delta Bravo.
We'll chuck you in at the deep end. Let's throw you in all three controls.
Okay.
Eyes up front.
Yep.
You have control.
Have control.
Left foot. Okay, I've got control. Oh, so I'm pushing my luck there. Okay, let's give you pedals and lever. You have control, pedals and lever. I've got the cyclic.
Romeo, November, Juliet, Whiskey, Gloucester Tower. I have no details. It's for a local flight or a landaway. Negative is it's a flight back to Elstree, just booked out at the main terminal. Golf Juliet Whiskey, stand by, just waiting for your details to come through. But startup is approved. Roger, start approved.
Okay, put your hand on the cyclic stick. Relax. As soon as I'm there, you're actually much too tense. I can feel straight away you're almost fighting against me. So I'm just getting followed through at the moment. So feel my inputs going on there. Okay, relax on the cyclic.
Golf Delta Bravo going around simulated asymmetric. Golf Delta Bravo, roger.
Pulling against me on the cyclic. Increase your height a bit. Kids are only about a foot off the ground. Turn the nose in that direction. Left foot forward. Go towards your reference markers. So the wind's about there. Got that big chimney in front of us.
Yeah.
That's where you want to have as your direction. Okay, so you can feel where I've got the cyclic stick. Left pedal going back in, right pedals away.
Station, right to route, Skyborne. Field 2, proceed to Skyborne via the taxiway, Alpha. Proceed to Skyborne via taxiway Alpha, Field 2. Field 2.
Okay, when you're ready, I'm going to give you the cyclic as well, but don't take it until you're ready.
Field 2.
Yeah, just let me still again.
Field 2,
Yeah.
Tower Field 2 on route Skyborne for DA42 fuel. Just out of interest, if the other guy's listening, does he anticipate being on the ground soon or stay in situ? Which other guy, sorry?
Okay.
Okay, you have control.
DA42. Roger. I'll check it. Thank you. Golf Delta Bravo, do you require fuel on landing? So please, Golf Delta Bravo, and this will be to land. Downwind. Roger, thanks. Report final number 1. We'll go, Golf Delta Bravo. Field 2, do you copy? Thank you.
Yeah.
Seat holding point Alpha 2.
Cedar 2, Rescue 2.
And Gloucester Tower, it's a helicopter Golf Chelsea. Am I clear to conclusion?
Golf Juliet Whiskey, QNH 1013, just confirm your...
Okay, so I'll give you pedals and lever again. Just get you settled in. You can follow through on the cyclic just the same. Your hand on the cyclic, so you can feel my input, so you can feel what's going on, so you're ready to take it when we've got it settled in now.
Lifting for Alpha 1, heading Golf Juliet Whiskey.
Field Theta.
Okay, let me know when you're ready to take the cyclic.
Gloucester Tower, Golf Sierra Alpha Tango Mike, press join right base, runway 26, QNH 1013.
Golf Sierra Alpha Tango Mike, Gloucester Tower. Report final number 2, followed in with Twin Star, company traffic turning to 1 mile final.
Rocco, Golf Tango Mike.
Okay, ready?
Okay, you have control.
Final 27.
Golf Delta Bravo, runway 27 clear to land wind 27011.
Clear to land runway 27, Golf Delta Bravo.
Golf Juliet Whiskey, visual with a Diamond Twin Star and a 2 mile final.
Negative, let me just...
Golf Juliet Whiskey, disregard.
Negative, not visual, Juliet Whiskey.
Golf Juliet Whiskey, roger. Hold position 2 to land before I can get you away.
Roger, holding, Juliet Whiskey.
Oof. Wave me again.
Okay, see if you can sort it before getting it free, see if you can do something with it. Your eyes up front whilst you do it, don't look down at the ground. Watch the inputs. Oh, okay, I have it. Yep, that's your pedals on there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you pedals and lever, and we'll taxi back to Yankee. You have control pedals and lever.
Pedals and lever, yeah.
Again, use the house as a reference point to start with. We know it's slightly to the right of that house, but that gives a rough idea. Really work on those pedals with downwind.
Continue, Golf Tango Mike. Golf Delta Bravo, continue to the end, vacate left, holding point Charlie 1, taxi to Sky Park, cross runway 0436.
Okay, Charlie 1, taxi.
Lots of light and active movement with the pedals.
Golf Delta Bravo, course.
Make you do what you want to do. It will do it,
Correction, taxiway Charlie.
but only if you make it. Or else, as you can see, it's trying to weathercock round into wind.
Late clearance, traffic is to vacate ahead. Golf Tango Mike. And Golf Tango Mike, I think we got steps on earlier, but request for maintenance for touch and go to the right hand circuit. Golf Tango Mike, you can expect that. Roger, Golf Tango Mike.
Bravo Whiskey, traffic is an R22, correction. Yes, an R22 heading north, clear to land heading north, wind 220 degrees, 8 knots. Bravo November, traffic is in the R66 inbound to the north, heading north from the north.
Golf, go Mike. Runway 27 clear, touch and go, wind 2708 with a right turn to the visual circuit. Touch and go, join, Golf Tango Mike.
Helicopter Golf Juliet Whiskey, traffic inbound heading north from the north is an R66 and R44 manoeuvres, sorry, R22 manoeuvres are heading north. Cross runway 27, standard heading departure north, cleared for takeoff, wind 2707.
Roger, crossing 27 and departing heading north and visual with the
Helicopter Golf Alpha November at Yankee, request cross 272 Heliflight.
All stations, Gloucester Tower and approach broadcast, the frequencies are now combined on 128.555. All stations to the approach frequency 128.555. November 8.
Cross to Heliflight.
November 80 Whiskey, cross runway 27, taxi Heliflight, wind 2707.
Cross 7 Heliflight 80 Whiskey.
And helicopter Golf Alpha November at Yankee, request cross 270 Heliflight in turn with the 66.
Golf Alpha November, cross runway 27 in turn, Heliflight, wind 2708.
Cross 270 Heliflight, Golf Alpha November. Okay,
Flight was at you to join.
follow that R66.
Aeros 53, basic service, standard over, join 27 right hand, QFE 1010,
overhead join from runway 27, basic service, QFC 1010, aerospace clear.
A little bit high, not much, so just a gentle correction. Okay, better with it crosswind than you were downwind.
Gloucester approach, helicopter Golf Charlie India Lima uniform.
Golf Charlie India Lima uniform, Gloucester approach, QNH1013, stand by. Go Tango Light, report final number.
We'll go on the top first pad.
Okay, number one, and downwind to land runway 27, simulated asymmetric Golf Tango Mike.
Point where we're going, rather than crabbing it.
Roger, Whiskey, basic service, and you're looking to cross the final approach track, 27.
Basic service, and I can avoid it if it helps, no problem at all, Julia.
Okay, watch your height.
I know it's not active at the moment, I just wondered at what levels and points.
And then we'll turn it into wind. Now that way.
Glider activity out to the east at the moment.
Roger, I'm at just...
Okay, and see if you can land it.
I'll just...
Straight as you do so.
I'm approaching the ridge now.
Okay, leave the fully down, right pedal forward.
Roundabout.
Have control.
I have control.
Golf Romeo Alpha correction, Golf Sierra Alpha Romeo Alpha 1, 2 miles to your north with information X-ray and QFC 1010, request direct join.
70.
Golf Romeo Alpha, expect that standby.
Roger, expect that, Golf Romeo Alpha.
Helicopter Lima uniform, Gloucester approach.
Helicopter Golf Charlie India Lima uniform is a Capri G2 with 2 on board from Kemble to you, currently 7 miles to the southeast at 1,500 feet on QFP 1010 with information X-ray. Request basic service and joining instructions.
Got switch on
Uniform
engage.
basic service.
Wait.
We have standard helicopter arrival, heli south, runway 27 right hand.
That's 3 is
QFP 1010,
yes, drop.
report with 3 miles.
Basic service, standard helicopter arrival to heli south, runway 27 right hand, QFP 1010 Wilco heli Lima uniform.
Golf Romeo Alpha, join direct to right base, runway 27, QFE 1010, report 5 miles.
Showing direct right base, runway 27, QFE 1010 and report 5 miles, Golf Romeo Alpha.
Okay, so I can start to see the
Golf Romeo Alpha, traffic inbound to the
Yeah,
from the
happy with that.
northeast.
And now you're going to close the throttle.
yeah, throttle be closed, sorry.
Golf Romeo Alpha.
Aeros 53, traffic about 7 miles north of the field, joining direct right base, runway 27.
Throttle's fully closed.
Now you can,
Looking at...
I'll take clutch off.
6.5 miles.
again, you need to
Golf Tango,
follow that
runway 27,
checklist a little bit more
27,
methodically.
knots, clear
Yeah.
to land.
So wait 30 seconds. Job is the
Fuel 1 tap. Yeah, sorry, fuel 2. Your next customer is on a half-mile final, will be round to you shortly at Sky Park.
Get in the fleet, Roger.
Cheers.
Gloucester, it's Heli Golf Julia Whiskey, just clear of the ridge now, and I'll go on Oxford radar now, so I 125.
okay, so going out.
Golf Juliet Whiskey, free call, Oxford, all the best.
Mixture guard is being replaced.
Rescue 2 behind the landing.
Wait 30
target,
seconds, so it's
Alpha 2 into runway 27 behind.
Rotor brake, get it close to the windscreen. I think last time I was almost perpendicular, wasn't I?
Yes. Pete will get the wheels to bring her back in.
Okay, so rotor brake going on. Best one yet. Okay, so Motor brake, clutch lights. To extinguish. Clutch light's gone out. All switched into off.
Air 3 miles.
I'll probably do that while I'm waiting for the
Yes. Yeah.
the temperature drop, couldn't I?
Yeah.